Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about sect of Buddhism. So sect of Buddhism, let's start with Hinayana, lesser vehicle. Its followers believed in original teaching of Buddha. They sought individual salvation through self-discipline and meditation. They did not believe in idol worship. So this is important point. Which sect of Buddha does not believe in idol worship? Hinayana. Hinayana did not believe in idol worship. They favored Pali language. So this is also one of the important point. Hinayana Buddhist sect favored Pali language. They did not believe in idol worship. It is known as Southern Buddhist religion because it prevailed in South India, Sri Lanka, Burma, Siam, Thailand, Java. There were two subsects of Hinayan, Vaibhasika and Southern Trika. So if we see a sect of Buddhism, then in the first sect Hinayana there are multiple important points. The first important point, Hinayana people did not believe in idol worship. They favored Pali language, and it is known as Southern Buddhist religion because it prevailed in mostly south of India, not South India. South of India means Sri Lanka, Burma, Siam, Java, and there were two subsects of Hinayan, Vaibhasika and Swatantrika. All are very important point. Now next is Mahayana, the greater vehicle. Its follower believed in heavenliness of Buddha. They sought the salvation of all through the grace and help of Buddha and Bodhisattva. They believe in idol worship. So this is the difference between Hinayan and Mahayana. Mahayana believed in ideal worship. They favored Sanskrit language. This is another difference. Hinayan Pali language, Mahayana Sanskrit language. It is known as Northern Buddhist religion because it prevailed in north of India, not North India, north of India means China, Korea, Japan. There were two subsects of Mahayana, Madhyamika and Yogachar. Madhyamika also called Sunyavada and founder Nagarjuna. So Mahayana has two subsect. One is Madhyamika or Sunyavada, founder Nagarjuna, and Yogachar. Second subsect is Yogachar and Vijan Vada. Founder was Maitreyaнаth and his disciple Asanga. Now next Buddhist sect is Vajrayana. Its follower believed that salvation could be the best attained by acquiring the magical power, which they called Vajra. The chief divinities of new sect were the Tara. It became popular in eastern India, particularly Bengal and Bihar. So let's revise all three sects. First, Hinayan, Mahayana, Vajrayana. Hinayan, south of India; Mahayana, north of India; Vajrayana, east India. So this is the spread of all these three sects. First one did not believe in idol worship. Second means Mahayana believe in idol worship, and Vajrayana believe in the magical power. And first one followed a Pali language. Second Sanskrit. Second means Mahayana followed Sanskrit language, and for Vajrayana there is no language mentioned. So this is all about these three sect, and let's see Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva means the god in Buddhist language. Sattva means deity. So let's see one by one all the deity in Buddhist. Let's start with Vajrapani. Vajrapani is like Indra. He hold a thunderbolt, foe of sin and evil. Avalokiteswara. This is the another god, the Lord who looks down, also called Padmpani, the lotus bearer, kind-hearted. Next is Manjusri, stimulator of understanding. He holds a book describing 10 Pramita, spiritual perfection. Maitreya, the future Buddha. Chitigriha, guardian of purgatories. Uh, Guardian of purgatories, it means the god who give punishment as per our work. Whatever evil work we have done, so we will get punishment based on that. And who will give the Chiti Griha god, guardian of purgatories. Next is Amitabh or Amita Yusha, Buddha of heaven. So these are all about sect in Buddha. So in next video I will explain about sacred shrines of Buddha. Thank you.